saw your light in the glow on my screen, tapping hearts but it don't feel like a dream. You said goodbye with a wave and a sigh. Now I'm staring at your name, don't know why. These flashing signs don't speak the truth. I want your voice, not emojis from you. Don't scroll away, let's talk it through. This love ain't pixel-made, it's true. Stay a little longer, baby. Don't let the moment fade tonight. We've been lost in all this static, but your touch still feels so right. Just like a record spinning slow, you and I, we still got soul. So stay a little longer, baby, we can make this whole. We had dreams in midnight cafes. Now we text in place of what we used to say. Remember vinyl and dance in June. Now it's playlists and deadlines too soon. But your laugh's still real and your tears still shine. Beneath the noise you're still mine. Forget the feed, the likes and views. Just be here now, me and you. Stay a little longer, baby. Don't let the world decide our fate. We can tune out all the madness and rewrite love before it's late. Just like the old songs used to go, you and I, we still got soul. So stay a little longer, baby, let's take it slow. Ooh, remember the slow dance? Barefoot in the hallway light. Let's go back, just hold me like the first time, all through the night. Stay a little longer, baby. The night's too young to say goodbye. There's no app to bring you closer than your head resting by my side. Just like a record spinning slow, you and I, we still got soul. So stay a little longer, baby, let's take it slow. Stay a little longer, baby, then let go. Stay a little longer, baby.